Hey, quick question for you. Have you ever thought, man, I wish I could start investing, but I'm broke? Like, you only have $100 to your name and you're wondering if it's even worth it. Well, here's the wild part. That $100, it's more powerful than you think. You don't need to be rich. You don't need a fancy job. You just need a game plan. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I'd invest $100. If I had to start from absolute zero in 2025, no confusing finance talk, no boring textbook stuff, just simple moves that actually work. Let's dive in. First things first. Before you invest in anything, you got to pay yourself first. I'm taking $10 from that 100 and putting it straight into my me fund, not to spend, but to build a habit. Every time you get money, you should pay yourself a little first. This is how millionaires think, bro. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Now, with $90 left, let's get to the good stuff. $40. That's going straight into something called an index fund. Sounds fancy, but it's actually super simple. Imagine a basket that holds tiny pieces of the top 500 companies in the world. Apple, Google, Amazon, all the big players. Instead of betting on one company, you're betting on all of them at once. It's safer, it's smarter, and you don't need to be a stock market genius to make it work. Just put that $40 in and let it grow like a money tree over time. All right, now we've got $50 left. Here's where it gets real. I'm taking $20 and I'm investing it in me. Learning a new skill, could be YouTube editing, could be Canva designs, even selling stuff online. This 20 isn't an expense, it's an investment in yourself. The skills you learn today will make you more money than any stock ever could. Now, with $30 left, we're starting a mini side hustle. I'm grabbing $20 and using it to flip something small. Maybe buying stickers in bulk and selling them at school, or flipping thrift shop clothes, or even reselling digital art online. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to practice how money works in real life. Turning $20 into 40, that's the real flex. Now, with $10 left, I'm putting it into my emergency stash. This is my break glass in case of broke fund. Life throws surprises at you. This tiny stash builds the habit of always being ready. And if you're feeling curious, you can take an optional $10 and dip your toes into crypto. But let me be clear, this isn't about gambling. It's like going to an amusement park. Fun and exciting, but don't expect to come back with your wallet full. Put it into something solid like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Learn how digital money works. Even if the $10 goes to zero, the experience you gain is priceless. All right, let's recap real quick. $10, pay yourself first. $40, index funds. $20, learning a skill. $20, starting a side hustle. $10, emergency stash. Optional 10, crypto playground. That's how I'd invest $100 if I had to start from scratch in 2025. It's not about the amount you have. It's about what you do with it. Small, smart moves now turn into big opportunities later. Most people wait until they're older, richer, or ready to invest, but the smartest people, they just start, even if it's small. So now I want to ask you, if you had $100 right now, what's the first thing you'd invest in? Drop a comment. I want to see how you would flip it. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button so more people can learn how to turn a simple $100 into their first step towards freedom. Catch you in the next one.